Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. So in today video I will discuss about daily bias. What is daily bias and how you find daily bias and how you use daily bias for intraday for scalping, okay? Because the daily bias is very important role in your trading because if you don't know the direction, so how you place your trade, okay. So first of all, understand the candle, okay. Let's suppose this is our candle and this one is our bearish candle, okay, and this is our wick, okay. So the candle was a bearish candle was open from here and close here, and this is our low and this is our high, and the next candle was open from here like this, and the next candle was going down like this, but before closing the candle was closed like this. So this one is our bullish candle. If you see, this is our liquidity and market just sweep the previous day liquidity, okay. So where is our next target? Where what is our the next direction? So our direction must be market going to upside and hunt this liquidity. Okay. So this is our next direction. The market was going open from here. Okay. And one more thing. This is our daily range. This is our daily candle. Okay. So in this candle, find any fair value gap in this area, find any order block, find any POI for retracement. Possible the candle was when open here and the candle was going down like this, and in M15 in H1, okay, in M30 any fair value gap, any order block, so market fill and market going up and close like this, okay. I hope you understand the candle criteria, okay. So now I teach you live example, okay. So I will start from here, okay. First of all, understand this is our order block, daily order block, okay. So you can simply mark like this, okay. This is our daily order block. Also one more thing, this is our tool, this is our tool Fibonacci for marking premium and discount, okay. This is my setting, simple 0, 0.5 and 1 between in this range, okay. When you mark high to low between in this range, this is our premium area, okay. In premium area we find only sell, okay, and between our discount range we find only buy. So simple, we find only sell, okay. Also another confirmation, this is our daily order block, okay. And if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, here is 4-day liquidity available, okay. See, no sweep, buy side liquidity sweep, again market going up, break of structure, and again liquidity was sweep, and again liquidity was sweep, but Here is one, two, three, four, five. Five liquidity, 5 days liquidity available, like 1 week liquidity available, and market not sweep this liquidity. So now this, in this condition, this is our liquidity pool. Okay, because here is many liquidity available, many days liquidity available. Okay, and one more thing, this is our fair value gap also. I hope you know what is fair value gap. Okay, so this is our fair value gap. So so possible the market was going down. Okay, hunt all the liquidity and also fill this gap. Okay, but our first target was this one and this one. Okay, because this is our previous day and market liquidity sweep our previous day, and now our target is market must be liquidity sweep of this low. Okay, so I mark simple this liquidity. Okay, so this is our liquidity sweep. So simple mark liquidity and simple going to M15. Now understand. Now mark the structure. Okay, our structure was bullish. Okay, until this was shift here. Our structure was bullish until this candle break. Okay, this is our most recent high. So you can simply mark your most recent high like this and mark high. Okay, let's suppose if the market break this, so this is our break of structure. Okay, and if market not break this, just liquidity sweep, and so the possibly market going down. Okay, so this one is our also order block. Okay, this one is our also order block. Okay, and already market touch, and if you see this is our last swing, also market structure was shift. Okay, this is our MSS. So here is a many reason for finding sell. Okay, so simply mark liquidity areas. Okay, in this range, if you see this one is our liquidity, but market just sweep our liquidity. Okay, so where is our last liquidity? This one is our liquidity. Okay, so possible market going up, because this liquidity is our last. Okay, possible market when when the next day start, market must liquidity sweep and then going down. Okay, see, when the next day was open, market first going up and liquidity sweep and going down. Now shift to M1. Okay, now in M1 start market mapping. Okay, market mark start structure mark mapping. Okay, so this is our most recent high, and this one is our market structure was shift. Okay, after market structure, see any fair value gap, any imbalance. Okay, so here is nothing, here is nothing. Where, so this one is our fair value gap, if you see. Okay, so this one is our fair value gap, and also if you mark like proper, this one is our order block. Okay, this one is our order block. So simple, you enter a short from when market touch, and your SL must be above like this, almost your SL is 20 pip. Okay, and your target must be this liquidity. Okay, I know this target is too much. Almost risk reward ratio is 1 is to 25. But if your bias is clear, okay, if you know where market going, so you can catch very high target. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so market going up and market fill our order. Okay, now start structure mapping. Okay, simple, this is our most recent low. If market break, so this is our break of structure. Okay, otherwise this is our most recent high. Okay, okay, now market break of structure. Okay, so it's mean now this is our most recent low. Okay, this is our recent low, and if you see, this one is our order block. Sorry, this one is our fair value gap, and if you mark proper, this one is our order block. Okay, nearest order block. Okay, this one is our nearest order block, and if you see any previously order block, nothing, because the perfect order block when any FPG so available, so then the perfect order block. Okay, so in this situation, this is your order block and you enter short here, simple, and your target. Now this is your choice, your target here or like fixed risk reward ratio. This is your choice, but my work is teaching you. Okay, so again your entry was open short here. Now continue. Again market break of structure. This one is our break of structure. Okay, okay, after break of structure, if you see, this is our low and this is our inducement. Okay, and market just sweep inducement. Okay, and going down. Here is our another entry, but uh, today I will teach you only order block. Okay, so this one is our most recent. Okay, and you can short here, and your SL must be here, and your target like this, or you can fix your risk reward ratio. See the beauty. Okay, very small SL, almost 17 pips. Okay, if you know the direction, so you can catch all this trade. Okay, now continue. Again market breakout structure, and after breakout structure, this is our inducement. So our low was confirmed. This one is our inducement. Okay, so our low was confirmed. So where is our order block? This one is our fair value gap, and this one is our order block. Another order block for re-entry. Now understand one more thing. This is our order flow. Okay. The order flow is another thing, but this is our order flow. So sometime market fill order flow only, or sometime market touch order block. So this one is our order flow area. I will teach you order flow in another video. Today video is our bias. Okay, let's see maybe possible market touch in our order block. If market break this, so this is our next break of structure. But mean in this range, this is just our minor structure. Okay, if market break this high, so our structure was shift. But between in this range, this is our minor structure. Market every time respect our order flow. This one is our order flow. Market every time respect our order flow. See, now market break of structure. Okay, so after break of structure, this one is our last order block. You can mark. Okay, because this is a lag. Okay, this is our lag, and you can mark also this one. So market touch and respect, but sometime market, this is our inducement, and sometime market fill the inducement and going down. Okay, but not break this area and going up and fill our this order block and then going down. Okay, so perfect is when after inducement you can enter. Okay, before inducement you are not enter, because before inducement you are not verify this is our most recent low or anything. Okay, see, here is no break of structure, only just liquidity sweep. Okay, see, only liquidity sweep. Now break of structure. Okay, so you can mark break of structure. Now this is your most recent order block. You can mark like this. And mark it another break of structure like this. See, this is your another recent order block. Okay, this one, or this is your inducement. Okay, after inducement your low was confirmed. Now inducement fulfill and the order block also fulfill, so you can enter short here and your SL must be like this. But if you see, here is another order block. So for this safe side, you can enter, this is your choice, you can enter here, or you can mark like this, or you can enter here. This is your choice. I will, because here is another concept like premium or discount. Okay. So between, in this range I will find only buy. Between in this range I will find only sell. So this range I will find only sell. This is not our area of finding any sell. Okay. So I'm not playing this area, I am play this area. And my sell like here, and my target was here. Let's see market touch or not. Okay, market touch our order block and open position. So again, this is your breakout structure. Structure mapping is very important. Okay, after again breakout structure, where is most recent order block? Okay, so this one is our most recent order block, or you can mark this because here is fair value gap available. Okay, so you can mark this one like this one is our fair value gap, or you can mark proper order block like this. Okay, because previously all fair value gap, all gaps are fulfilled. Okay, here is our fair value gap. Okay, so you can enter short here and your SL small like almost 15 pips. Okay, and your target must be like this, or you can set your target last breakup structure. Okay, last swing low. Okay, again breakup structure, but this is just liquidity sweep, not proper breakup structure. This one is our proper break of structure. If you see, here is nothing, nothing, no fair value gap. Okay, so in this situation you are not enter here, you enter, this one is your fair value gap and this is your order block, so you enter like this, mark this, and waiting for market must become this area and your SL like here and your target here. Because if you use premium and discount, so this price is our also premium area. Okay, let's see. Market come in our premium area and open our order and continue going down and fulfill our target. Okay, so I hope you understand. So this one is our first entry and our risk reward ratio is 1 is to 25. This one is our second entry and our risk reward ratio is 1 is to 19. This is our third entry and our risk reward ratio is 1 is to 22. Okay, and this one is our risk reward ratio is 1 is to 7. This risk reward ratio is 1 is to 12, and this risk reward ratio is 1 is to 3. So if you check in a single day, you find 5 entry, 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 6 entry, and all entry was successful. Okay, I hope you understand. Now our target was fulfill, and our liquidity was hunt, our liquidity was sweep. So I hope you understand how you mark your daily bias. Okay, the video was too long. Okay, 26 minutes. So because the long video people was not watching. Okay, so that's why if you watch until this video, so you are interested for learning. Okay, I hope you learn something. I hope you enjoy my video. Or if you want like next video, what is if you want a playlist about SMC concept, okay, proper SMC concept, what is SMC, or like what is POI, and what is order block, and what is our order flow. So you can DM me, or you can comment in the comment section. Or if you enjoy, if you learn something, so please like my video and share with your friends. Okay, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope you understand why bias is very important. Okay, so the video was too long. So the next part I will upload the next day. Okay, because this day was continue. Okay, this day was continue, but if you see, here is our fair value gap, so here is our another day start. Okay, so like when this liquidity was sweep, so where is market going to buy side, simple. Okay, understand, this is our liquidity, market liquidity sweep. First of all, I remove all drawing. Okay, this is our liquidity and market liquidity sweep. So where is next target? Market must be going upside. Okay, see, sorry. Okay, see, the next day was going upside. Okay, so where this up now understand, this one is our fair value gap, also this one is our fair value gap. Okay, this one is our fair value gap, you can mark fair value gap. Okay, or you can also mark this one is our fair value gap. Okay, so now understand, wait for market proper hunt, buy side or sell side. Okay, see, market hunt, buy side. So now where is market going? Market going down, simple. Market going down because this liquidity was hunt. Okay, so where is market going? Here is our liquidity, here is our liquidity. So the next day market going down, simple. First market going up. Okay, see, first market going up and liquidity sweep this area. Okay, and then market going down, liquidity sweep this low and also this low. So now understand. Now market liquidity sweep this high also and this low also. So what is next day? In this situation, when market liquidity sweep both side in one candle, so in this situation, the next day is our ranging. Okay, or no direction, no momentum. Okay, so let's see. See, our next day, no momentum. Okay, see, the market not sweep this low, not sweep this high. Okay, now in this day you are not trade, okay? You are just wait for next day, okay? The next day when open, wait for market liquidity sweep this high or this low because the next day was open here, okay? So possible market first sweep this two liquidity, okay? Here is one and two liquidity and then going up, okay? See, first market open liquidity sweep going up and then also liquidity sweep and going down. And if you see, here is our fair value gap, okay? Here is our fair value gap. So market was continue create a range in this fair value gap, okay? And also if you mark low to high, okay? So currently market in our premium area, okay? So you can find only buy, okay? So waiting for the next day. The next day, what will we think? Maybe possible market first open and going down and liquidity sweep also fill the gap and then continue going up because this is our last like criteria, okay? So let's see market going down and see the beauty, okay? See market just fill the gap, okay? See the beauty. Market hunt and market just fill the gap, okay? So what is the next? The next is market must be sweep this liquidity, okay? Because now we have only this liquidity, okay? And also our price is discount area. See, the next day market open sweep previous day liquidity, okay? And then boom, okay? Now understand, same criteria. Market candle was sweep previous low and sweep high. So what is our next day? Our next day is like a range, okay? No momentum. See, almost range break only high, sweep high and going down and close here, okay? So where is now? Now you understand. Fair value gap already filled, gap also filled. So what, where is our liquidity? This one is our liquidity, this one is our liquidity, this one is our liquidity. So where is market going? Market going upside, okay? Market must going upside. So you can find in this range any fair value gap because this is daily candle. In M15 you can find, in M30 you can find any fair value gap, any order block, anything for your buy because price is our discount area, okay? So we can find only by, also we have a liquidity, evidence of liquidity, first liquidity, second liquidity, third liquidity. So where is market going? Market always going to liquidity, okay? See, market first open here going down, liquidity sweep this day and going up and liquidity sweep this one and also this one, okay? So now same criteria, when candle sweep both side. So what is our next day? Our next day is range, simple. Our next day is range. See, our next day was range, okay? So I hope you understand. I hope how you find your daily bias. Only you can only see previous last two or three candles for find your daily bias, okay? You don't need to find, or you can mark like proper structure, okay? This is our low, this is our high, and this is our inducement, and this is our order block. No, you need only minimum 1 2 3 or 5 candle, previous 1 2 3 4 5 candle to analyze to find your daily bias. Just simple, okay? I hope you understand. I hope you understand and I hope you enjoy my video. The video was too long, almost 35 minutes. But if any single person, if any single person teach this method, okay, and make money even $10 per day, so my goal was complete. Okay. If any one person understand this method and make money, my goal was complete. Okay. I hope you enjoy. If you understand, if you think this is a knowledge uh, working for you, if you think this knowledge uh, valuable, so please comment in comment section, or please like my video and share with your friends. Okay. Or if any confusion, any doubt, so you can comment or DM me. I hope you enjoy my video. So goodbye and Allah Hafiz.